Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the area calculation feature on your Garmin eTrex 10. So this is a pretty cool feature. This is one of those features that I don't guess you would need to use very often, but if you're somebody who does land surveying or any kind of measurements of an area, it's a pretty useful tool. From the main menu, all we're going to do is we're going to use the toggle switch. We're going to go down until we see area calculation, then you're going to press the toggle switch to select it. You'll see you're going to get a message that says select start, then walk around the perimeter of an area that you want to calculate. So that's what I'm going to do now. This video kind of works better if I actually go walk around and you have something to see. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to press the toggle and I'm going to start and I'm going to go ahead and start walking. Once I get done walking the perimeter, I'll come back here and we'll press calculate. We'll see what happens. All right, so all I did was went and walked around the perimeter of my backyard. Once you're done going around your perimeter, you're just going to press calculate. And it'll basically give you a calculation. You can see that my backyard is about 1/10 of an acre. Now I can save that track if I want to. I can change the units if I don't want it displayed in acres. I can change it to square footage, square meters, so on and so forth. I'm just going to press the back button. If you're done, you can simply press the back button. You can get back to the main starting page, or you can press back to go all the way back to the main menu. Pretty simple. It's a pretty neat feature. Again, that's how you use the area calculation. I hope the video helps. If you got any questions, post them in the comments. Be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.